What's up, everybody? You already know it's your boy DB live in the building. Welcome to Marketing with Dom. Hey, if you do not subscribe to my channel, don't even watch my video. All right. First of all, there's a little button in the corner, so you want to click it. But I want to talk about the fact that I just got a chance to revamp and relaunch my whole fast track program. All right, so if you're a subscriber of my page, or if you're in my free course, or if you've been following me for a while, you know I give the best information hands down. Why? Because I think that it should be out there for the world. We live in the informational space where information is easy to upload and get, and you should be able to receive, right? So if you've been going all over YouTube, finding all these people talking about how they've grown their OnlyFans, but they have like 200,000 followers on Instagram or 30,000 followers on YouTube, and you're like following their advice, and you're like, why can't I get a single subscriber? Because their advice is truly coming from a place of already having a fan base. So how can you possibly grow from someone who's not teaching you how to grow your fan base first? So I built the Fast Track program and my completely free resources to show you how you can start growing your OnlyFans, growing your social media, and actually building that brand for long term. I'm not worried about the short term. No flip the script, 2 weeks, become a millionaire. That shit's not real. If you want to go join one of these other programs out there that are $2,000, $3,000 that are promising you in the world and just giving you information and saying, yo, you suck, sorry you failed, which I've actually heard going around multiple times where they're charging $2,000 for the information because you can't execute the information, they're saying it's your fault. But if you want someone who's actually going to be able to take you from zero, I've taken probably now around 10 to 15 models from absolutely zero to making over $3,000 a month. So down below, we have all our courses. You can come in and jump in the resources. I'm telling you this also. All of the stuff that is in my course is also already on my YouTube, but it's not in order and it's not sectioned out. So you have to literally pick through all the videos that I've done and get the best of the best from it, because we have been developing and changing our strategy over the last 5 months of me doing YouTube videos. But if you want the hottest, the freshest content that we shoot or give out every single month, you either have to join my free program, or if you're like, I'm already ready, I'm started, I'm trying to make more money than I am right now, join my fast track program and get started right now. And wait, before you go, you better subscribe. You definitely need to comment down below, because you know I have the hottest content out there, right? I need you to help me, because there's all these pretty faces out there that look really nice, and my face may not be as pretty, so I'm not getting as much clickbait. So I need you to comment so I get better engagement so we all grow. You guys understand? All right, we'll see you next time.